up, y'all? So for today's video, I might be picking up the motor, I might not, I don't know. But for right now, we're gonna head over to Chris's shop because Chris has a homie with a nice S15 and we're gonna go check it out. And I gotta take some pictures of it so he can sell it because he does like the whole, I don't know, like import thing. I have no idea. But we're gonna go check it out and, oh God, look at all that smoke. Can you guys see the smoke? I don't know if you guys can even see it, but she's a little smoky bastard. If you guys ever wondered like, yo Zosh, boy, why you ain't got the net on? Well, one of my clip thingies, like one of these thingies, like broke off, so I had to go to Rainey's house and pick up my wire to redo it. So that's why my net hasn't been on. I wanted it on for eyeball, but I know I got roasted because there's like real race cars there, and they're like, yo, who's this poser kid? So at least I didn't look too much like a poser kid. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. I think my motor's going. Made it to the spot. Chris, what we have over here, Chris? What is this? What is this butte thing?
It's like a, I don't even know, it's not mine, I just got the piece. A 02 S15 wide body with like some kid I've never seen.
And it's registered, yo. JDMA with the baby Recaro on the back.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's... Yo, this is a kid I've never seen either.
I don't know, they're like some JGTC style front fenders that I've never ever seen.
I gotta do one clickbait title for my 2018 YouTube career. Taking delivery of the S15. That's gonna be my title.
Supposedly on the Speedo, it has 7,000 kilometers.
Which is, what, 2,000 miles?
Supposedly. I don't know how. I suspect it was like a shop car in its former.
Yeah, it had to be.
Demo vehicle.
God damn.
So far back.
What's up, Bobby? Good, good.
What are you doing?
The kids love Chris.
No, this kid loves these cars. What type of car is this?
It's a what? It's a Sylvia? Dang, starting them young. First time sitting inside of a S15. Oh, damn, this bride seat's actually comfy. So there's gauges literally for everything, like Chris just said. There's gauges for everything.
I don't know if they'll light up with the accessory power on.
Fuel pressure, water temp, turbo, oil pressure, oil temp, exhaust temp. Damn, Extrada.
There's even some JDM ass shit on the other side. I don't know what the hell that is. It shows a card to swipe something.
What?
The other thing is some sort of LED lighting system with some switches. I don't know how it works.
Yo, this is sick.
It's got these like odd 6x9 pod alien gauge speaker things over there.
Oh, what is a phone or LED light for the chart, I guess power it? Huh? JDMAF, yo. And it's on a turbo timer. You turn the car off and I didn't even, and they got a working horn.
Hey, how many Nissans you know working horns?
How many Nissans you know that work? Super facts. The heart of the car. So this is what, RB25?
What?
No, it's SR20. It's 4-bank.
Oh, I'm a dumbass.
You're going on some Skyline shit.
Hey, y'all don't, hey bro, I'm used to B20s. So this is the SR20 DET turbocharged, strapped with the
baby turbo you can't see, like a T28 I think came on these.
Damn, that is baby.
Yeah.
And it has a working MAF sensor.
Yeah.
That's with a Blitz blowout valve. HK has a pipe, well, I wouldn't say piping, but I know the coupler is HK has. This thing is sick, man.
It's clean as shit in the back.
It is.
So I kind of believe that 5,000 mile boost.
Yeah. It has AC too?
Huh?
It has AC too?
Yeah,
damn. So it's completely stock, basically. Like,
yeah, just kitted, coilovers, some arms underneath.
Got the JDM trunk, yo. Got an umbrella back here.
Silencer. Some odd brace that I didn't know came on these for whatever reason.
That's factory? Oh, yeah, so. It looks factory. Mounts right up, like no issues. And they got like the whole already like, yeah, that looks probably factory.
Let's call it like the JDM rear impact bar.
Yeah, that's what it is. A working Nissan. That's insane. Time to drive, right-hand drive.
It feels really weird to be on this side of the car.
It does. And then you're driving on regular streets. That's even more weirder, I feel like it's more weirder. Sounds really good, and it moves good too.
This is like a daily cruiser, it'd be straight.
For real, like it's smooth. It's so weird, you like so on this side of the road.
I know.
That's so weird. Oh my god. This is a lot to get used to.
It's like when I was driving around this neighborhood in this R35 or R34, I was sitting in the middle of the road. Because that's what I feel
used
like
to, yeah, you're used to it. Funny how the human mind works. This thing is sick.
I like how you hear more blow-off valve than turbo.
Yeah. Mine's more turbo than blow-off valve. That's it. Probably needs an alignment.
Pulls a little that way.
Because of their arm, they got the aftermarket arms on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably never got aligned right after. Time to take some photos of it before my camera dies. So let's get some photos in. My camera died earlier when I was at Chris's, showing you guys the S15. Randy just hit me up and was like, yo, I think I'm about to get pulled over because there's a cop right there, and oh, good. All right, so I'm going to Randy's house. Randy hit me up and was like, yo, I got off work early, so I might go pick up my engine today, but I don't know because I have to be somewhere at 5, and it's like 4 o'clock now, so I don't know if I have enough time to go pick up my motor like right away, but I'll probably end up picking it up later tonight, hopefully, like around 7 or 8-ish. So we'll see. I guess it'll still be daylight to pick up the motor, show you guys what motor I got and stuff like that. So hopefully today's video isn't a clickbait title of like taking delivery of the S15. Hopefully it's like, oh, I picked up my new motor and stuff like that. So I don't know, let's get to Randy's house before I get pulled over. Yo dog, what you doing? Hey yo dog, what you doing in there, man? How am I gay? Hey, what's that noise? Man, you nasty, man. Quick little update on Randy's car. He pretty much got everything out, I should say, for like the most part. Door panels are off, the trim is off, to get all this, like everything here is just basically off. We got all the sound deadening out besides that right there, but we'll do that another day. But we got the fenders like you guys seen in the previous videos. His new lip came in, hood and stuff. I think that's pretty much it for like the update. All we gotta do now is put on this suspension and put the car down so it could be a rolling shell, and then get like a dolly or I don't know what the trailer. I don't know, trailer the car to the paint shop, and that's it. Randy car goes in for paint, so it's pretty much ready for paint. All we gotta do now is just throw on the suspension, put the wheels on, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, I guess. But other than that, today is not going as planned as far as picking up this engine, because now the guy won't sell me the engine. I don't know. We talked about it. He was like, okay, blah, 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 blah. And he was like, today's the day to pick up the motor. They won't sell it to me. So, well, that sucks. So I'm guessing the S15 clickbait title and thumbnail must stay. I mean, technically, I'm not taking delivery of it, but somebody else is taking delivery of it. So that's how my day is going. How's your day going? You know what I'm saying? Did you pick up an engine that you're supposed to get today? I hope you did. I honestly hope you did. And I was reading the comments of the iBox videos like, yo, Zosh, bro, hold the camera high, hold the camera high. And I understand that I should do that, but like, I feel like it's awkward just shoving a camera in somebody's face while like I'm vlogging and I'm like, yeah, so what's going on? You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's awkward. So I keep it like right here or something so I don't be too awkward on them. But I understand. Okay, y'all want me to be all awkward and stuff. All right. Huh. All right. Where you going, Mom? Where your mom going? Where's Mom going?
She's a pain in the ass.
She's a pain in the ass?
Yeah, she's annoying.
Oh, my God. What are you doing, Randy?
Want something?
Yep, say it, Mom. He gonna want something.
She's bad because I can't take her to the airport, bro. She's bad.
Randy's putting his job over taking his parents to the airport. Sad, bro.
Hell yeah!
What kind of...
What not you for? You just gonna take him.
See what I mean? That'd be young niggas, bro.
You
Hugo was watching your video while he was working out.
Oh, that was Hugo? Oh, that's who it was? That was dope. Look how nice that 12 millimeter is.
That's a new lens?
Hell no, same lens, but it should look fire, right?
No, it should look trash as
God damn. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day, and I'm on my way to the pet store because your boy's a dad again. For the OGs that have been watching me for a while, you guys would know about my little Takata. It's a joint parenthood, I guess you can call it, with me and Amanda. And little Kata had little Katas. So she dropped off my son today. Kato Mescuddy. King Kato. I think I should have named him Cutter. I really should have named him Cutter, but I wanted to say Kato so it could stay like close to like when we named well, I named Takata her name. We got Takata from like you know, the seatbelt company because like a car dog or whatever. So but we call her Kato for short. So Takato sounds kind of whack, so I just named him Kato. So the dog name is Kato. I'll show you guys when I get back home. It's a Chihuahua breed, but it's adorable. It's really adorable. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, which you guys should be following me on both, because I've been more active now. I've been a little bit more active. You will see how cute he is. So right now I'm headed to the pet store to pick up some stuff for him. You know what I'm saying? Treat him like a king that he is. King Kato. And yeah, so I guess that's where I'm gonna do that. I gotta take Rainey's parents to the airport like an hour or so, so I gotta really make this fast. So yeah. Oh snap, we're in my mom's car, which means
you are now listening to 99.9 Jams with my man Zosh. Gonna bring the hot fire for your boys. Your motorize you.
Wagwan me youth, welcome back to Zosh radio station, blazing the hottest of the hot, 99.9 Jams. Blow! Oh, today is 420. Today we turn up to some new cold world. The real is back, the veil is back, Flow Bananas, Peeled is back. Hey yo, me youth, we know we got the cooking around here, my way, I'm some motorize you. Yo, Scott, we gonna play that new cold world, that new KLD, Kill Our Demons, King of Drugs, King of Diamonds.
This is what you call a flip. 10 keys from a car to break. Bentley from here, but I can't come up with nothing. I put it up for a day. I know that it's difficult. I'm stacking this paper, it's sort of habitual. I blow the residual and fucking your bitch like it's part of my ritual. Part of the visual, but money you give me a heart on a typical. I wanted it physical, a million.
That boy right hand drive out clean. That boy clean. Boy got the APR spoiler. I was thinking about getting that spoiler, but I don't know. I want mine to go a little higher than that. It's pretty good though. As soon as I make it to Walmart, Rainy texts me like, yo, my parents coming to get you, so damn it. But so far I got the bed and I got some puppy pads. So I just got back from the airport and here is the new addition to the channel. This is baby Kato. Kato Mescuddy in the building. Take him inside. Look, he's so adorable. Okay, so I have no idea what I'm doing, but I got some puppy chow, got little toys. And I think that's all he needs for right now. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of here because I need to upload. So let's go home. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the outro of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did enjoy it, we ain't at that point yet. We not at that part yet. We not there yet. I know this video, I might get hella dislikes for like how clickbait the title is. Like, oh, you don't have an S15, you can't even get an RS6. Look, man, I don't mean to clickbait, you know what I'm saying? Gotta keep the outro short and sweet because your boy gotta upload. And it's already 8:30 and I need to upload. So, thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, this Sunday, April 22nd, I will be down in Pompano at Genesis Automotive from 12 to 8 for my meet and greet / DYNO day. And I'm co-hosting the DYNO day portion of that day. So come through, say whatever. There's gonna be food, drinks, prizes, contests of like who got the stock block 1000, got the highest, you know, just come out. It's gonna be a really good time. Rainey's gonna be there. I'm gonna be there. Hopefully the homie Fred's gonna be there. My mom's gonna be there. What else? I think that's pretty much all that I know that's going out there. So yo, come out, show some love and support. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, you wanna get a GoPro, right? I like to film. Smack that like button before you let it hold on. But thank you guys for watching this video. I will catch you guys Sunday. Come out and show some love. You know what I'm saying? Come show your boy love. I'm out. Peace.